Yeah, once again I welcome you in social science class. So my dear student, once again आपका स्वागत है आज की सोशल साइंस क्लास में. एंड टुडे वी हैव टेक द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर इन द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के से वी हैव टेकन द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर ऑफ योर सिविक्स, दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी एंड व्हाई डेमोक्रेसी. Basically, this is the first chapter of your civics and there are so many questions come in your examination in this chapter. There are many points which we are going to discuss in the chapter. So if you look at the name of the chapter, what is democracy and why democracy? So first of all, we are supposed to know that what do you mean by डेमोक्रेसी. सबसे पहले हमें ये जानने की आवश्यकता है कि डेमोक्रेसी है क्या, एंड व्हाट द थिंग्स आर गिवन और व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर इन अ डेमोक्रेसी इन विच द पीपल हैव टू फॉलो, एंड व्हाट आर द सिस्टम इन डेमोक्रेसी और इन डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट. किस प्रकार का सिस्टम होता है एंड व्हाट द थिंग्स आर देयर. We will all these things will discuss in this chapter. So first of all I would like to start that what is democracy. अगर हम लोग बात करें कि डेमोक्रेसी है क्या, डेमोक्रेसी बेसिकली इन हिंदी वी कैन से जनतंत्र या लोकतंत्र, मीन्स अ काइंड ऑफ सिस्टम इन विच the peoples are directly participate to form government or to elect the representative. Basically if we divide this word, this is the Latin word democracy and it is just divided in two words. Number one demos and number two kratos. These are the two words in which the democracy have been formed. If we talk about that, what is the meaning of demos? The demos meaning is people and kratos means power. Basically democracy is referred as a power of the people, a system in which the people have the right to elect their representative, and these representatives play a very vital role to form the government, and the government is based on democracy. The government is based on the will of the peoples. एक वो सरकार जिसको हम लोग डायरेक्टली इलेक्ट करते हैं. There is a rule of the people. In direct way we can say that democracy is a rule of the people. Rule of the people भी हम इसको कह सकते हैं, रूल ऑफ द पीपल, यानी कि जहां पर जनता का शासन होता है. एक ऐसा सिस्टम जहां पर पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेट करती है, विच इज नोन एज डेमोक्रेसी, या जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं कि ये जनतंत्र है. तो बेसिकली डेमोक्रेसी इज अ लैटिन वर्ड विच इज जस्ट मेड ऑफ टू वर्ड, डेमोस प्लस क्रेटोस, एंड डेमोस मीन्स पीपल्स एंड क्रेटोस मीन्स पावर. सो इन directly we can say that the democracy is the power of the people. There are few things also given about the democracy and we are not supposed to neglect the definition of democracy. The democracy is very broad concept which is explained by various politicians, various philosophers and various educationists. They have defined in their own way that what is the democracy. In general, if we talk about that what is democracy, it is not possible to give a one particular definition. ऐसा नहीं है, it is a very broad concept and we are not supposed to give a particular definition of the democracy. Democracy has many features and some important guideline also there in a democracy. In general way, if I define that what is democracy, democracy is a form of government in which the ruler are elected by the peoples of that particular country, and in this process the forms or the norms of universal adult franchise have been followed. means those who have 18-year age, they have right to vote and they are supposed to elect their government. So basically democracy is a form of government in which the people are participated, they have elect their government while casting their vote. अपने वोट के माध्यम से जब किसी देश की सरकार को वहां के रहने वाले नागरिक इलेक्ट करते हैं, वो हमारी एक डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट कहलाती है. एंड दिस इज द डेमोक्रेसी. ये डेमोक्रेसी है मीन्स द काइंड ऑफ फ्रीडम हैव बीन गिविंग टू द पीपल्स ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर कंट्री. डेमोक्रेसी बेसिकली इज ए सिस्टम, और वी कैन से दैट द सिस्टम ऑफ द पीपल्स. इसको हम सिस्टम ऑफ द पीपल्स भी कह सकते हैं कि एक ऐसा सिस्टम विच इज डेवलप्ड according to the needs and requirement of the population of that particular country. There are many countries where the system of the democracy have been followed. So this is the meaning that democracy is a form, is a system in which the people have various type of choice, the people have various kind of freedoms, and the people have various kind of rights and fundamental duties as well. So in this chapter there are few things related to the democracy and why democracy. Sometimes the question can be come in your examination that many students know that India is a democratic country and we know this is the democracy, but sometimes it can be asked that why democracy, why we need a democracy. If you see the older system, there is a dictatorship, there is a monarchy ruler, there is a orthodox ruler, they also just run their country as well, but the rights of the human being in a such systems are limited. So when the people have unlimited rights under the law, when the people enjoy the various kind of freedom, when the people have right to raise their voice, when the people just enjoy the various type of freedom, we can say that this is the features या this is the system of democracy. एक जनतंत्र यानी कि एक ऐसा सिस्टम, एक ऐसा तंत्र जो जन के द्वारा डेवलप किया गया हो. A kind of system which is developed by the peoples of that particular country. So basically this is the definition of democracy, in which that the people have the role, the people just participate directly and they form the government, they have various type of right and they also enjoy various type of freedoms under the democratic rules. So this is the basic definition of democracy and ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं इस चैप्टर में आएंगी बच्चों, और उसको हम वन बाय वन डिस्कस करेंगे कि डेमोक्रेसी है क्या और डेमोक्रेसी की मेन फीचर्स क्या क्या होती हैं. सो दिस इज अप टू द डेमोक्रेसी. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we will discuss about that what are the features of democracy, what kind of system are developed in a country, those who have the democratic form of government या जहाँ पर democracy system है. So इसी बात के साथ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग मिलते हैं बच्चों. थैंक यू वेरी मच.